Welcome today. I would want to show you a tutorial of our web version of the ShuleSoft School Management System. So, okay, I think you remember we have the desktop module version whereby we have you can collect multiple databases where you collect your server connections from this end, database monitoring tool. That one is already started. So let me open the app itself. So yeah, in the meantime, let me open our browser where we shall view our our online version of the software. So in this desktop version, you remember I showed you how to sync information from the desktop version to the online version. So let me log in. After we are logged in, uh, yeah, it's logging in, signing in. So yeah, in the meantime, let me go to the online version and start the application. So ShuleSoft, yeah. So this one is loading. Yeah, yeah, loaded. Okay, let's go to this one, the desktop version. It's a desktop version. Yeah, it's already logged in. Okay, so fine. So we have the student information, library, dormitory, finance, settings. I had shown you about this where you sync your information from the local host to the online host. So let's say you want to sync the students and other modules that you've decided to add for sync. So let me sync the information. Down here you'll see the progress of how the sync is continuing from here. So after you sync this information, all this information is sent to the online module. I think our sync is done. Let me see. Yeah. I opened different. Okay, so after it is done, yeah, the information will be sent to our online version. So let me just show you some. I have not synced that directly, but let me show you how the online version is. The rest of the web browser version is. Um, so when you log in as the admin or any administrator assigned a duty, these you'll expect to find a dashboard here where you'll see total students assignment done, revenue, pending assignments. So these are the icons that you have included in your front landing page, your landing dashboard. So you can view all activities. We have our students activities, finance activities. You also have our assignment activities here. So let's go back to all activities. Yeah, so you can see all are listed here. So let's now go. You can view. We have the finance list, so critical. So they're here. Assignment list, they're here. So the teachers can view uh, their the progress of their work. So here you come and view the user management. We created these modules here, the necessary modules. If you want to have yours specifically designed for your institution, when you contact us, we'll not hesitate to work and do the plan you want us to, the modules you want us to add for you. So yeah, when you come to user management, you can see the students, teachers, and total users in the system here. So now you can come here and view all users, their login details. Then you can come and view the students. You can come and view the teachers here. Yeah. So yeah. So for the assignments, this is what you can view in the assignments. Yeah. For the we also have our AI assistant, ShuleSoft AI. Um, here. So yeah, if you're a tutor, you can come and generate your lesson plan, explain let's say you've added something and to make an explanation of it, you can come and set it up here. Create quizzes, you can create them here. Then also you can also monitor your previous inquiries with the ChatGPT or previous chats here. You can come and view them over this here. Yeah, you can search them too. So yeah, that's okay. Then let's go for the assessment management. This is what you have created for uh, final exam assessment and results here. We also have our finance module here. So let's go to our assessment module. So in the assessment module, for example, we have now our, let's say this exam in the first quarter of 2026, or first term, for example. Let's come and select here, and let's go for this topic, creation topic. So in this topic, for example, you can come here, you want to view the learning competency. Let me come and edit that for you. Let's say in this creation topic, let's go to Genesis. Go to Genesis. Let's go to Genesis and save it. Then we create, for example, topics here in that Genesis topic 1.1. So let me ask you, explain. No. What was created on the first day? Yeah, save it. We had previously used our dummy data while doing our development, but let me change it. So yeah, explain the creation days from day 1 to day 7. Yeah. So for example, you can come here, add another main title. Let's call it title number 1.2. That's a title. Then we come and create the topic name. Let's say Genesis, for example. No, not Genesis. Let's go to Exodus. Yeah. In the Exodus, let's save our title. Yeah. Then there, let's now go to add another title, another subtopic. Or let's create questions on this title. Let's now go to, no, I've added another main title here. Okay, instead of adding more questions. So okay, fine, let's go to this first question of this topic. Let's go to first subtopic. These are topic 2. Sorry, I'll come and edit it. Story of Moses. Yeah, for example, those are the topics there. Let's say it, for the first one, learning competency of Genesis, Exodus. Then we come to topic 2, story of Moses. Yeah, here we can add more questions. Where did Moses get the 10 commandments, for example? Yeah, so that's question 3 in subtopic 1.2. So this is another topic. Yeah, let's say we have further subtopics, you can add them down here now. Okay, so here this one is for exceed expectation, then meeting expectation, approaching expectation, for example. Yeah, then below expectation for this one. When you don't do a question, you'll be graded 0, and it will show in your performance report. So yeah, for example, that is the case. So yeah, let me come, you can come and add your assessment here before. Yeah, so you select which academic year, then add your assessment, which topic, which, yeah, come and add the assessment name, then now you proceed to create more in it. Okay, fine. So now let's go to our results. For our results, you can view your assessment results, total assessments done, total students, average scores. Those who passed, there were 96, but that's 75% of the students. Those who need improvement is 32 or 25%. Yeah. So let's go to first quarter, for example. We can come here and view total students who did were 128. So you can come and view their performance reports and their scores from this other end. So you can view total students, average score, highest score, lowest score, the pass rate, then our graphical representation here. Then now we can come and view, yeah, how they did their assessment here. So yeah, you can view the name of the student. No, we start with the admission number, name of the student, ID. No, this is the log, the number, performance number, the name, student ID. Then sorry, here I've added the tag 2024-001 section. Yeah, the person scored 18 out of 20, percentage, level of performance level exceeding expectations, status, date taken, actions. Yeah, can come and view them here. If you want to view student details, view answer sheet, download the results, send it to the parent, view the performance histories. Yeah, you can come and view them here. So yeah, this one I selected all sections, though you can come and select specific sections. Let's say we select love, for example. When you come and select love, now you can see how the performance occurred. You can grade in ascending or descending order, but now because most of our grading systems, the academic system agreed that it is not so necessary to do grading by percentage or what. So you just get your child's performance here, your student's performance here. Okay, so let's now go to another part now, the finance part. So in the finance part, let's go to student balances. Yeah. So you can come and view student balances too. If you want to track unpaid balances and payment status across all students, here they are. Total unpaid balances, you can view them here. You can change these a symbol to Kenyan shilling symbol. I'll show you that in the desktop version. So yeah, you can view all these details from here and view more additional payment records. So student ID, name, class grade, total due, those that are paid, the balances, then the due dates are these. So you can view, there are even those who pay overdue, so you can view their payment records here. You can see, for example, this guy, Joe Mwangi, has paid 1,500, so partially paid, the remaining balance is 2,500. Then this one, Sarah, has had a total due of 3,500, but she paid 3,500. So paid that before the exact payment date. So yeah, they are overdue. Then there are those who have not paid anything and paid, yeah, partially paid. Yeah, so you can view that from there. And now you can still view more records. You can view student account. You can add payment. Though this one is added mostly in the local version of the desktop version, but if the school decides to take only the online version, the bursar will be in charge of this adding payment with only that role with their policies. So we also have payment history. They can view their invoices, download statement, or send the statement to parents, students, or even to anyone who wants to view the payment. If they are being sponsored, they can be sent directly from the portal. Then we also have, let us view the invoices. If you want to view all the invoices, you can come here and you can view all the invoices with no worry. So let us view, yeah, so you can view all the invoices and more details. You can view invoices, add invoices, generate a receipt, set a reminder to that student or their sponsors, download or print the invoices from here. So basically that's the web version of our system. So this one is directly integrated into the mobile application. So the mobile application, I've included the link of where it is. So if I sent you, it is also in our in the in our comments down there. You can view in the video description. There's a link for the mobile application. You can download and try to test it for yourself in your mobile app. I have not included any logins, so just install and go through it to view how efficient it works. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. I'll meet you in the next tutorial.